Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. I am so glad you're here. My name's Brianna if you're new. I hope that you subscribe and let me know how you're doing today down in the comments. I am so excited to get some cleaning done in today's entire house all day clean with me video. So get ready to clean with me, do some unpacking and organizing because we've moved back to Ohio for the summer and I filmed this all day clean with me to hopefully give you lots of cleaning motivation. Our entire house had gotten so dusty, so everything needed a good wipe down, and I just needed to do a quick tidy of everything in the family room and the kitchen downstairs here. And I know so many of you have said you've missed seeing this house. So did we. We have so many special memories in this house. This is where we brought Presley and Hayden home from the hospital. We've had so many birthdays and Christmases and just very special celebrations over the years. So it is very nice to be back. And you guys know, I love this house. I put so much into decorating it and to making it a home. And that's why I just appreciate all of you being on this homemaking journey with me so much. It seriously means the world to me that I have you here and a part of this community. So thank you for becoming a member of this YouTube family. And as always, if I can pray for you or if you need some love sent your way, you just let me know in the comments.
I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. God, I'm sick of this waiting. You got me going crazy tonight. So why don't you come on over and be my somebody to love? Somebody to love, somebody to love, somebody. I need somebody to love. I need somebody. I need somebody. Give me somebody, somebody to love.
But is anyone going on a summer vacation or a getaway this year? Let me know in the comments if you're headed someplace cool. I want to know where you're traveling to because travel is my love language. So I love hearing other people's trips, or if you have a place that you've been to that you really loved and have any recommendations, especially with kids. Like if you have a really good vacation with kids recommendation, let us know that in the comments. I think there's going to be a lot of other subscribers who would appreciate those recommendations too right now. And this way I hope seeing this like home reset and unpacking will help you. You can turn this on after a vacation or a trip that you have for some cleaning motivation and unpacking motivation, because I know I always need unpacking motivation. I am the worst at like leaving things in suitcases for weeks on end. And this is like a little thing I've heard people say. It is a vacation when you don't have kids, but it's a trip when you have kids. Is that like the language you use? Let me know if that sounds about right to you. The kids were so excited to be back in their rooms, especially Landon. So I need to do a quick tidy up of both of their bedrooms, give them a good dusting and a vacuum. But let me know if your kids are like doing a ton of summer activities too. I feel like we are going to be busy. Landon had his first t-ball game this weekend. Both Landon and Presley are in tennis this summer too, and they're doing this Ninja Warrior class. One of my best friend's brothers is doing this at his gym, and they are so excited about it because they love anything ninjas. Like Landon loves ninjas, and they're always making obstacle courses after watching Floor is Lava. So I think it will be really fun for them to do. And even though we're going to be busy, I was trying to find ISR swimming lessons for Hayden, like the ones that are for infants. And I'm wondering if any of you did those, what age did you start them on that? I'm trying to figure out when like the best time would be for starting Hayden with ISR. Let me know in the comments. Have you watched anything good on TV or on Netflix lately? If you have any good TV show or, movie recommendations, let me know. Adam and I just finished watching Mayor of Easttown right before we moved, and it was good. I do have to be careful watching shows like that though, because I get really vivid nightmares. A lot of anything that's like a psychological thriller or crime, I get really, really vivid, scary nightmares. I don't know if anyone else has that problem or any recommendations you have. But let me know if you also have then any good family-friendly movies or TV shows, because I always am looking for good movies and shows that the kids can watch too. Also, random question, kind of family friendly related. Does anyone else's kids play Fortnite? Because Landon's been coming home from school. Well, he did before school was out. You know what I mean. But he's been asking to play Fortnite because some of his classmates did. And he just talked to his cousin this weekend, and his cousin plays it too. And I just don't know. Is Fortnite okay for a 6-year-old to be playing? I'm not up on the video games, and I just want to make sure it's age appropriate. So if you could let me know, I would really appreciate it. Also random, but it's on my brain today because Adam was telling me just how his allergies have been so bad since we got home from Hawaii. And I'm just wondering, is anybody else having way worse allergies than normal right now? And is there anything you've been doing that's been helping? Because I feel so bad for him. And I know I have to do a lot of this virtually, but since we're going to be home in Cleveland for the summer, I would absolutely love to have a meetup here. It has been something I have been wanting to do for so long. I had plans to do this before COVID happened, so I need to just figure out a good day and a place so that we can make this happen. So if you have any ideas for a good place where we could have a meetup in Cleveland, let me know in the comments. To show you guys fast what my grandma got the kids at Kohl's for their birthdays. I love like the Lauren Conrad, it's like called like the Little Co kids line. It has some of the cutest stuff for summer. So this dress for Presley, and then this little like jumper for Hayden is so cute. Is that what I call this, a jumper, or I don't know, what do you call this? Romper, jumper, jumpsuit? I don't know. And then the Beach Boy shirt for Landon with these shorts. I thought those were so cute. And this little tie-dye tee. And then this is from Carter's brand, I think. But like so cute for the big and little bro to match. And then these were also Carter's. I thought this was so cute. They can all wear coordinating pajamas. Presley like loves wearing coordinating pajamas. It's like her thing with Landon. She's always like, let's coordinate and wear these matching pajamas. But she also got these other two like really cute pairs. I love this like tie-dye one. And she got some more princess dresses for her birthday. Little, I know she'll like love this glitter tee my mom got her. She loves like any of the pillows or shirts with the like up and down sequins. And then this, here, I'll put it over here so it's easier to see. This is also from that Lauren Conrad Little Co. Like, how sweet is that for Presley? I just think it's so cute.
I'd run 1,000 miles if I could run with you. And from what I have heard, you do the same thing too. I wanna say forever, we could be good together. Guess misery loves company. Better too late than never. You know we could do better.
And guys, I just am so happy to be in Hayden's nursery too. You saw, if you watched like the nursery makeover videos, we worked so hard on this nursery. And I just cannot believe how much Hayden has grown since we were last here. He was not even 2 months old, and he's about to be 7 months old this week. He's going to be crawling any day now too. Like, if you have any tips on helping to get your baby crawl, can you let me know? So far we've tried, we like put this mirror toy in front of him, and that like helps him to move forward just a teeny bit, but he kind of has figured out like he'll scoot or he just keeps rolling over to get to other objects or toys we lay out for him. So we're really trying to get him to be like up on his knees crawling. So if you have any tips, let me know. And oh my gosh, guys, he has 4 teeth now. He just cut his 4th tooth, and he absolutely loves those teething wafers. So if you have a teething baby, try those. He loves them. I've been feeding him purees, and I've let him gnaw on some raw fruits like some bananas and strawberries and watermelon. So I guess like I'm going into the baby-led weaning, but let me know if you have any other tips on like good baby-led weaning foods, or any good accounts to kind of follow that have baby-led weaning tips and ideas, because yeah, I'm always looking for those. And I feel like, especially because I just got home from a girlfriend trip, just cuddle your babies today, no matter how old they are, because it is crazy. Like, all of this goes by so quickly. Like, I just cannot believe that I have a baby who's already eating like foods, if that makes sense. Like, I can't believe how quickly time has gone. So give them a cuddle, give them some love, and it all goes by so fast, and everything changes so quickly, even though I know it's so hard when you're in the moment. And sleep has been really, really hard up until recently. Adam told me though, when I was out of town with my friends, the 2 nights I was gone, he slept 12 hours, 6:30 to 6:30, and I don't know yet. We'll see. If you're on the premiere, I'll let you know in the premiere chat if he actually sleeps another 12 hours straight now that I'm home. I'm praying that the streak continues, but I know it can be really, really brutal, especially when you're feeling so sleep deprived and so tired. So I hope that you're doing a really, really good job. And I feel like that's always like what helps me, is like, you're doing a good job, and just know like the days are long, but the years are short, and it truly feels that way. Like, they just change and grow so fast. So try to enjoy the good moments when you can, but it doesn't mean that you have to feel like, you're wrong for being tired, because you're not. Like, you're tired and you're human, and you can only take on so much. So just know I'm sending you all the love. I get it, and I understand that there is good and bad when it comes to parenting and motherhood. and homemaking and all of the things. You know, there's always a little bit of good with the bad. So just know that you're not alone in the struggle, and that I'm here to support you, and that I'm sending you all the love in the world today. And I've still got so much to unpack and organize, you guys. I could not get to all the suitcases on this day because when I filmed this, I was leaving for my best friend's bachelorette party the next day, so I could only do so much. But I will have lots more cleaning and organizing, and there is so much decluttering that needs to happen because Landon and Presley are in completely different sizes, and Hayden too. Hayden's in completely different sizes since before he moved to Hawaii. So I need to go through all of their drawers and their closets so bad. I did a little bit of Hayden's in this video, but I still need to do his closet. His closet wasn't done at all. And I will also need to be doing mine too. I feel like there's still a lot of like winter stuff up in my closet since we left in January. So there's a lot of cleaning and decluttering that I will be sharing in upcoming videos. But let me know if there are any other videos you would like to see on my channel for summer. Please request them in the comments. I'm serious, I'm so glad you're here. You mean so much to me. I hope that you are enjoying the nice weather and the sunshine right now. Please get outside every single day if you can. I know it just like does so much for my mental health, and it's just so important as humans to like connect to the earth. Put your feet in the grass if you can like ground yourself. It's actually like really, really important to your like physical body too. Put your bare feet in the grass, and it's just like crazy what a difference it makes. But know this, that God has a very important reason for you to be here on this earth. And that's because you have a gift. You have a unique and special gift, and you're meant to share that with others. So I hope that you shine your light for all to see today and always, and keep knowing you are amazing, you are worthy, and I'm just sending you all the love possible today from this video right to you where you're watching it. So keep dreaming, keep cleaning, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks, loves.